I'm just trying to get through some of my emails. Hi Lars, how are you doing? I spent plenty of time watching your videos. Well, I definitely appreciate that. But I couldn't find out how to do a circle within a third circle. Ooh, this is a good one. Did I get a... I did get an image of this here. So, hang on. I'm clicking the wrong buttons. Back to image. There we go. This is a good one for Marcel. So send this image here, and I'm looking to have, there's 3 circles, right? There's a circle here, an inner circle here, but it's 63 millimeters, an outer circle here that is 101, and then I want a circle in the center that will always stay in the center of the 2 other circles. So if you change this diameter here, it will be in this halfway between the 2 outer circles. Marcel, this might be, this is a good one. I think I want to answer that one. Maybe that is where we, maybe that's where we wrap this up here. Let's just see how it goes. Maybe we take a couple more. All right, so this is how I think I would do that. Open up a new file. So let's just start with the basics. Let's start a sketch on the face here, and let's do C for circle. And the first one was 63. And C for circle, and the next one is 110. Okay, now we want a circle in between here that no matter changing any of these, that circle will always stay half in between. I think that I would try to use parameters for that. So C for circle, let's just draw the circle up here. Somewhere between here, right? Now we have the circle here. Now, check this out. If we go to solid, back to the solid space, in here we have this change parameters down here. Again, if this is going too fast, just go back a little bit. And in here, we can create user parameters. So hit the little plus sign to create a user parameter. And I'm going to call this one middle, because that's what it kind of is. And then we can create an expression. And we could just probably do this as a math thing. So do you remember what order I created the 2 dimensions in? The first one was the 63, and the second one was the 110. So if we say 110 was the second one, so D2, see how when I type in D2, it shows up here that this is... that this is 110. See, you can actually, I don't know if I can do this. If I click out of this for a second, you'll see in here, if I click down on underneath here, you can actually see them right here, so I don't have to remember. That was the 2 dimensions that we already created. They will always show up in here. So let's create that user parameter, move that down. So in the, we're going to call it something. We call it middle. So 110 is D2. And then if we say minus D1, what is 63? And if we put it inside of brackets, like that, we could say divided by 2, right? And then that would be the distance. Right now, that would be the distance between 110, 63. That would be that distance right there. Then if we say plus the 63, what is D1? And we hit OK. Then we have that user parameter. Now, it hasn't been assigned to anything. So let's go back, hit OK to that, go back to our sketch tools, hit a dimension on this one, and then instead of typing anything in here, let's hit that M for middle, and it shows up there. Now, that center sketch there will always be in the middle of the 2. So let's test it out. If we double click on 63, make it 31, then that changes to 66. If we make this one 205, then that will change to 108. What is always staying in the middle of those. So these parameters over here could definitely be handy to use for that. That was for Marcel. I hope that was useful, Marcel. What do you think? You let me know if you see this. You let me know. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Was that a good tips? Is this good? You gotta let me know, man.